How to use Jira for marketing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Jira for your marketing job. So basically, we're gonna use Jira templates. So not gonna be very hard, it's gonna be very easy. So first you can open your Jira account and then on the left side, as you can see, there is space. You can click plus icon here and then it will brings you to the space templates, and as you can see on the left side there are so many categories, and in this video we're gonna choose marketing, this one. And as you can see there are 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 templates, so you can choose whatever you want. There are blank space if you want to start from scratch. You can choose project management, go to market, and others. So let's say I'm gonna choose maybe campaign management. Click this one and you can choose the name. Let's say marketing team 1, and you can choose how your space is managed. I'm going to choose team manage. And for the access, you can choose private, limited, or open. I'm going to choose private, so only admins and the people I add to the project can edit, view, or modify something. Then you can just click next here. And then if you want to add your team, you can just put the name and email or something like that. But if you don't want to add it now, you can just click skip in the right button here. And then this is your template. If you want to use another template, you can just repeat the process and choose another template.